My name is Peter Byck. Born and raised in Louisville, Kentucky, I spent a ton of time in nature, and I've got the Super 8 films to prove it. I made a documentary called Garbage.
When somebody asks me what I am, I just say I work for the sanitation department. I don't really say what I do.
It won South by Southwest in the 90s. Our shortest review, it stinks. 2 thumbs up. 10 short years later, I made a film about solutions to climate change, Carbon Nation. We showed those solutions were profitable.
So if you don't give a damn about the environment, do it because you're a greedy bastard.
I started hearing about some renegade ranchers who had gotten tired and broke from fighting nature. So they changed. Soil health became their North Star. Their grasses bringing down carbon from the air and into their soils.
It's extremely low stress because we're working with nature instead of against her.
And their grazing method was easier than the way everybody else was doing it.
I've got more spare time on my hands. If I was to start this when I was your age, I would have had 15 kids by now because I spent so much time in the house.
So I've been studying climate change solutions for about a decade and a half now. And the best solution I found is how we treat our soils. And the best tool that I've found in how to treat our soils and rebuild our soils is cows.